what's up everybody? Chad Bennett here at Nonstop Money TV. Welcome back to another online money making video. And in today's video, my friends, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what you can do to hack the YouTube algorithm in 2020, improve your YouTube SEO, and ultimately grow your channel faster. Understand one thing, I know exactly what it's like to be brand new, to continuously create content. You don't know what works and get little to no views, no subscribers, no interaction. You guys, I want to show you exactly what you can do to absolutely blow this up. I don't see a lot of folks talking about this. Honestly, I haven't seen one video where someone's sharing this type of information. This is going to be 100% free, and I promise you, it will help you grow your YouTube channel faster. So stick with me through the entire video. Make sure that you take some notes. Make sure that you watch this video again. This will help you grow your YouTube channel and improve your YouTube SEO so that you can make more money in 2020, whether you're starting an online business, doing affiliate marketing, whatever your channel is about. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. All right, let's get started hacking the YouTube algorithm and improving our YouTube SEO, you guys. So I want to get straight to the point, direct to it. Everyone's always saying, Chad, you talk too much, just get to the point. So that's what we're going to focus on in this video. And as a favor, I need you to stick with me through this entire video, you guys. That's extremely important. Make sure that you're subscribed and make sure that you crush that thumbs up if at any time during this video you find any valuable content. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do to improve your YouTube SEO and hack the YouTube algorithm is identify what your channel is about. What is your niche? Then you want to identify 5 to 10 different channels that are very large channels within your same niche. Now, the reason that you want to do this is because you want to see what's happening on their channel, right? What their channel looks like, what their thumbnails look like, what their titles look like, what are the keywords that they're using. By the way, I'm going to be sharing a very valuable tool that's 100% free in this video that will give you a ton of analytics about their channel so that you can mimic and not copy, but use the same type of format and get similar types of results. You guys, once I started doing this, this is what absolutely helped my channel literally start to grow fast, you guys. If you go back about 3 or 4 months, you see I wasn't getting the same amount of results. And then I started doing what I'm talking about in this video right now. That's how I know this works. That's why I'm sharing it with you. It's because I don't want you to struggle. I know what it's like to be a beginner, and I know what it's like to make a ton of content and people just aren't watching your videos. Now, one thing I will share with you as well is you need to stay consistent. When you're brand new, it's all about consistency, you guys. Make sure that you're consistently producing videos, even if it's just 1, 2. I try to shoot for at least 3 videos every single week. So the first thing, again, identify large channels that have big followings, 100,000 subscribers or more. So I'm gonna give you an example here. My channel is about making money online, and I've identified an individual by the name of Ryan Hildreth. I follow him. He has a similar type of taste, and we like the same things, and we have the same audience. So what I'm doing is basically hacking his channel, you guys. And you can do this. It's 100% legit. Don't copy people. Don't do it word for word. Don't do the exact same titles. Don't have the exact same thumbnails. But look at their videos and stuff and then make it into your own, right? Create it and make it into your own. That's all we're doing here. We're just following their blueprint. So I'm gonna bring you over here to Ryan Hildreth's channel. And the first thing that I want you to notice right here is his videos, right? So we're gonna click on the videos tab. I'd already done that. You'd normally be on the home tab right here. But we're gonna click on videos. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here to where it says sort by, and we're gonna do most popular. So another thing too, when you're brand new, a lot of folks don't really know what they wanna talk about. And this is a great way to get key topics that people want to see, and you can recreate videos that are going to have traffic, because as you can see right over here on Ryan's channel, if I take you back over here, his top 10 videos right here have a ton of views, 255,000 views, 258,000 views, right? Because we sorted by the most views, obviously. But now we have 10 different videos, and if you do this with 10 different channels, you can have 100 videos with different topics that you can talk about, that you can create back into your own content, you guys. So it's a great way to come up with content, especially when you're brand new, that people actually want to see. Now, step number 2 is you need a tool that's going to reveal to you all the analytics about the videos and the channels that we are focusing our attention on, right? Because we have to hack this. So we have to see the inner workings. We have to see the keywords that these individuals are using. Now, this is 100% free. And by the way, I've left a link down in the description of this video. When you click on that, it's VidIQ, by the way. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you over to their website right here. And I'm going to show you how and what you need to do when you arrive here. So when you get on VidIQ, what you want to do is you want to click on extension right here. And then you're going to want to click on install the Firefox extension right here. What it's going to do is it's going to download the extension, you guys. If you're not familiar with what an extension is, it's very simply going to put a little IQ icon up in the top corner. And what this does is now when we watch videos, we're going to see all the analytics about these videos, you guys. Now, this is very important. I'm going to show you an example here of what this looks like. So we're going to click on Ryan's video right here. And I'm going to click on this. We're going to pause this. And as you can see right over here in the corner, now we got tons of great analytics about the video that we're going to recreate right here. You want to pay attention to his title right here. And he has keywords in his title. This is very, very important, you guys. I'm going to show you the keywords down here in the bottom corner because this is free and we need to know what the keywords are. This is huge in having to do with YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, you guys. And we can get his keywords that he used for this video 100% free with this vidIQ plugin. And as you can see right here, you can see where his videos are ranking. So on apps that pay you, it ranks number 6. Money apps, it's ranking 11. Apps that pay, he ranks number 2, right? And this is the money right here. This is all the keywords that we want to use. You can very conveniently just copy this and paste it on your keywords for your video. It's very, very simple, very easy. Now, what you want to also notice here is that he uses these keywords right up in here in his title right here, right? Make money online today. I guarantee you he has make money online, money apps, right? Apps that pay you. So money. So he's using the keywords in his title. Now, this is very, very important, you guys. You need to pay attention to this. You need to be using the keywords that you're going to be using. You need to have some of them in your title, right? Especially the ones that he's ranking on right here. Now, understand one thing as well. When you have a very large channel, you can rank your video easier because you've been around, you put in the work. So it's easier for you to rank your video, but that's okay, you guys. You just use these keywords. You're going to create a similar title as well. Again, don't copy his title, but come up with something that's similar. Now, here's something else that's really key that I don't see a lot of people talking about is you need to open up the description of the video. And what you want to do, he's not really doing it in his, but I do this in mine, and I watched a video that talked about this. You want to repeat the title in or the keywords that are in your title down in the description of your video. And when you do this, he's talking about PayPal money in here. I guarantee you he's talking about some apps in here and stuff as well. And you want to repeat it at least 3 times. You want those keywords that are up here in the title down in the description of your video, and you want to repeat those at least 3 different times, you guys. Now, what this does is it's going to tell YouTube that this is what your video is about. And now here's another bonus that I want to throw into this. You need to repeat the keywords that are in your title and in your keywords in your actual video. You want to repeat them as much as you possibly can. Now, this video honestly is about how to hack the YouTube algorithm in 2020, YouTube search optimization, and vidIQ. Now, you just heard me repeat it in this video. Now, what Google is doing is every time you upload a video, it's going to go through there and it's going to transcribe your video because YouTube has an algorithm and they need to know what your what your video is about. So they need to know what you're talking about, right? And the only way for the computers to be able to do this is to actually transcribe your video. And the more that you're actually talking about what you have in your title and what you have in your keywords, as well as in your description, the more it's going to know where to put and to classify your video, who to show it to, that you're actually talking about what the title says and what the keywords are. It's all relevant. Because people, when they search for something on Google or YouTube, they want to find relevant, accurate information. Now, when you do this, and you do it consistently in every single one of your videos, you're going to drastically improve your search engine optimization. People are going to find what they're looking for. They're going to be happy because when they find your videos, it's going to be about what they're actually searching for. Now, the third thing that you need to do is you need to have great thumbnails, because if people never even click on your video, they're not even going to be able to watch the content. So if YouTube shows it to them, they're going to visually see your thumbnail. Now I like to think of it like this. When you're driving down the freeway or when you're driving down the street and you see billboards on a road, they have to stand out, they have to pop. And what works the best, you guys, is stuff that's bright, particularly stuff that's green, stuff that's yellow, stuff that's red. You want it to be bright. Now, focus on the top 10 channels that you already went out there and researched, and look at their thumbnails. Look at what they're doing. Look at my thumbnails right down here, for example. Notice I don't use a ton of words. You want to have maybe 3 to 4 words max. You want them to be big. You want them to be bold. You want them to be easy to read. You want to capture the person that's looking at its attention, right? You don't want it to just be clickbait. You want to deliver valuable information to them too when they're watching this as well. It has to be relevant to when they actually watch the video. Otherwise, they're going to get upset. They're going to give you a thumbs down. The video doesn't perform well. All of this works together. A good title, good keywords, a good description, a great thumbnail that gets them to actually click on that. And one of the ways that you can do this as well is do a search yourself and see what the videos that pop up look like. Your thumbnail has to pop out. If your thumbnail doesn't pop out to you and you can't see it, people wanting to click on your thumbnail before they click on these other ones, then it's not going to work. You have to design a thumbnail that's going to be at least equal value people are going to want to click on. Now, step number 4 is you need to have good watch time. YouTube has 2 main criteria that they judge your video on, and that is when your video is shown, do they click on it? And then if they click on it, how long do they watch your video? The longer your watch time is, it tells people that you are entertaining people, that people are staying on your video, and YouTube wants to keep people on their platform as long as they possibly can. So if you have a video that people like to click on, they're entertained by it, and they watch it for a significant period of time, YouTube is going to keep recommending your video. They also have criteria such as whether people are liking your video, whether people are interacting with your video down in the comments, whether they're sharing it out on social media. So you want to have call outs in your video as well, asking people to comment, to like your video, to do all that fun stuff. And it's unique to get people to do this, right? Because you don't just want to spam them with, hey, like my video, hey, drop comments. You want to throw it in there and mix it in so they don't even really realize that they're being asked to do this. But if you don't ask for something, you usually don't get. So you want to make sure that you throw those in there. And the way that you can do this, honestly, is I study very popular channels, again, how they're structuring their videos, how they ask for those things. Because if you want to get similar results, all you need to do is use the blueprint that already works, you guys. By the way, if you want to start your own online business and you want to create passive income and you want a laptop lifestyle where you can work from anywhere in the world and you can use your YouTube channel to drive a significant amount of traffic to your affiliate offers. If you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, you guys, it's basically just selling other people's products. So you don't need your own products. You don't need to have any employees. All you do is drive traffic. If you want to do something similar and drive traffic to your affiliate products, which I highly recommend, I think it's one of the best online businesses, then make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation down in the top of the description. That's where I got started over a year ago. I've been at all kinds of different crazy online businesses for so long, you guys, 15 years. And what I ultimately want to do is set as many people financially free in 2020 and beyond as many times as I possibly can, you guys. I want to show people how they literally can work for themselves when they want, anywhere in the world, from an internet connection, without any employees, without any products. If that sounds like you, and you don't ever want to depend on a paycheck ever again, and you want to start building your own dreams, make sure that you check out that #1 recommendation. Cannot recommend that enough, you guys. It's absolutely changed my life. It's a step-by-step process that will walk you through it and show you how to set up your very own online successful business, you guys. Again, copy what works. It's a blueprint that works. It's absolutely helped me out. I don't want to rant on this too much, you guys, but check that out. I really want to help as many people as I can make money online. By the way, if you have found any valuable content in this video, make sure that you crush that thumbs up for me until it turns blue. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, hit that bell notification, drop me a comment, let me know what you thought of this video, and share this video out on social media. That way we can get as many people financially free in 2020 and beyond. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching this all the way to the end. I hope you're doing well, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.